Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful blouse in the easiest way. You won't believe how easy it is. It's very fresh and with just few steps you will learn how to make it. Also, this technique will be very useful for coming projects. But well, I will give you the material list and let's start. Well, for this blouse in a medium or small size, we are going to use 300 grams of this yarn that it's between light and medium weight yarn, number 3 and number 4. And in this case, I will crochet with my fingers. If you can, well, you can use the hook of number 9 millimeters or number 12, according how you crochet, like a little bit more loose or tight. So with our fingers, we are going to make 65 chains using 2 threads of the same yarn. Once when we finish, we are going to close in circle. Please check that you didn't twist. We will keep these 2 threads to know where the rows will start and finish. Then yarn over, insert your finger right here in the first space, and we are going to make this in all the stitches. This is called the half double crochet. So again, yarn over, insert your hook. As you could see, I'm using my finger as it were the hook. It will be the same, and we are always going to insert our hook the same, taking both parts of the chain here between these spaces, and like this the whole row. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close. Before we make that, please make sure that you didn't twist. Sometimes we have more rows than we realized of that, so it's very important that you check since the beginning. And if you do, well, no worries, you don't have to do everything again. Just twist a little bit here, and as soon as you check and correct, it will be okay. Okay, so now that we are sure that it's straight, well, we are going to continue in circle. Okay, and well, here you might be afraid because you see the neck too wide, but remember that from here we are going to divide to take the back, the front, and the 2 sleeves. So don't reduce until we finish to divide. We will see if we reduce the neck or no, if you want it off the shoulder or you like this wide. And again, as you could see here, we have these threads where we start and we finish the row. So now we are going to continue straight without closing the row. We are going to insert our finger in the back, like in relief. As you could see, I'm taking these 2 parts of the chain and also the third is a thread, and we are going to continue making half double crochet. So turn over, insert your finger in the back, taking the hook in relief, and take all your threads through it again. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. And look, I'm making this because I want to have this effect, the one that I have here. You see, these splits. So I will continue making more rows like this. In this case, this is the decoration for the neck. I made 6 rows. And this is the row number 6. Remember, it's very important to keep your 2 threads with you in all the rows. And well, also, if you are deciding to make this with your hook, well, it's the same. Yarn over, place your hook in the back, and bring them through. In this case, if you don't want to use your fingers, you can use a crochet of number 9 or 12, okay, according how you crochet, and it will be the same. But I wanted to show you a different technique and with our fingers. Well, at the end we will count like this. The rows here we finish. Open a bit your project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You see? So here we have 6 rows. And we have our pleats. It looks beautiful. I love the effect that this stitch gives. Well, from here we are going to divide. I already finished this blouse and I will show you. So remember that we had 65 stitches, right? So I will have 20 for one sleeve, 20 for the second sleeve, then 13 for the front, and 12 for the back. And look here also, for the sleeves, I decided to put 6 chains around, but if you are making this blouse for a bigger size, for a larger size, well, you are going to make and put more according to your size. This is a small size, remember. Well, since the beginning, since the 65 stitches that we cast on, you feel that it's not enough, well, 5 by 5, you can increase more your size. But for example, here I put these 6 chains to open the armhole and to make this part bigger. Here I have divided the 20 stitches, and then from here I did get ahead and I continue with the stitch. Remember that for the first front will be 13, so this is what I basically made, the same stitch. So I have here 13 stitches for the first front. Then from here I count 6 chains because we are going to open more the armhole in the sleeves, and then I count 20 to, okay, you are going to count 20 pleats like this to divide. Until here we are going to join and continue with the stitch, and in this case we are going to make the back. So for the back we are going to count and have 12. And well, sometimes in this step you realize that you don't have the 65 stitches or the one that you started to make, right? So before we continue, it's very important that you count that you have the stitches that you have, and then you can divide and make your own front, back, and the sleeves according to your size. So let's continue. Well, here I did finish the row, and we are here. Now that we are in the size where we put these extra chains, we are going to continue making half double crochet in each chain. So please count. So for example, here I finished, and then I will continue, and in the rest of the row we are going to continue. These coming rows won't be in relief. I will take both parts of the chain. Look, here I lost one thread, so please always check that you have the 2 threads with you. And well, in this row we are going to make 2 half double crochet in one space, and in the next one single, then again 2 together. For example, here I'm about to make 2 together and 1, and here will be all singles in the sleeve. Well, I did finish the row where I increased. Remember that in the front and in the back I made this increase. 2 doubles, 1 single, 2 doubles, 1 single. So then I will continue all around making more rows. I won't increase anymore. I did make 20 rows. If you want this blouse longer, you can make more. And for example, if will be according to your shape. If you try on and if you feel that you need to increase, well, probably in the row number 10, again you will make a row increasing. And well, I will show you the sleeve. And what we are going to make in the sleeves and in the neck will be a row of single crochet. You can make it either with your fingers or with your hook. If you want a little bit more tight, or even if you want to reduce spaces to reduce the size of your neck, well, you can skip some spaces and make it with your hook. So first we are going to make a row of single crochet. Okay, and we are going to make the same in the sleeves. In the sleeves, I suggest that you don't reduce, okay, that you keep the stitches that you have. Here in the neck, you may want. Okay, and also when you finish to make the single crochet row, well, now we are going to start a new different. We are going to make crab stitch. Well, the crab stitch is like if you were making the single crochet but backwards, and it looks like these little knots right here. I love how it looks at the end. So this is when you are about to finish. We are going to imagine that we finished the blouse, and this will be the last steps. So first we made a row of single crochet all around the sleeves and around the neck too. So now we are going to make a crab stitch row. You see? And also we are going to make this all around the sleeves too. And this will be the last row and the last stitches that we are going to use. Okay? And we will have this beautiful ending right here in the sleeves and in the neck. And well, with this, we've finished. I hope that you make this beautiful blouse with me and that you try to learn how to make this technique, the fingers crochet. Remember that we won't iron, we are going to leave it like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. This is an old video that I found, but I wanted to show you anyway. As you could see, I look younger, and this is when I started in YouTube many years ago, and now I'm very happy that I can share my videos in English too. Thank you so much for subscribing and for all your messages. Thank you, and stay tuned for more ideas like this one, and don't forget to subscribe and to give me a like. Take care. Bye bye.